What to do if you still leak pee when you sneeze, laugh, or even lift your baby up? Remember, your pelvic floor just carried a life. Therefore, it needs time to heal. It needs rehabilitation. What can you do? Try slow breathing with gentle pelvic sneeze for 5 minutes every day. No rushing, no heavy workout yet. Yes, if you do this and the leaking continues, please see a pelvic floor physiotherapist. That will help. Healing is not embarrassing, it's strength. You carried a life, so you shouldn't be embarrassed to ask for help if you're leaking pee after childbirth. You carried a life.